What am I gonna cook? I got an idea. Oh. Let's see. Nothing from here. Oh, a pizza from Dr. Thunders? No. I got a perfect idea. I'm gonna create this for Creeper. That is some good smell. So let's put it in the microwave. So let's just open this. Oh man, it's difficult to where I can put this. Okay, so let's just put it right here for now. And then we can open this place. Now let's get this. And Creeper is gonna love it. He's gonna love it. He's gonna love it. I hope he actually does, because I had to pay $32 for every single one of these pieces, and I don't want that to go to waste. So what should I do for the meantime? Pringles! But actually, what should I do for the meantime? Just check on this. Those are some cooked cheese balls. Hope he's gonna like it. Oh, I'm hungry. I'm gonna see what he cooked. What Enderman cooked. So here's the lunch. Enderman, your cooking sucks. Your cooking sucks. Come on, Wolfie, help me with this. Enderman, your cooking sucks. Oh yeah, and it tastes like poop. Oh yeah, and it tastes like poop.